Hi everyone. Welcome to Y Cafe. I'm Dayton, one of the owner of the Y Cafe. The inspiration is came from visiting from in other independent coffee shop in Singapore and also other countries beyond, such as in New Zealand and London. The reason I choose AI design is because when I met Alan and Sebastian, they give me confidence immediately and they could do this. And besides that, they also listen to my ideas and both of them work closely together and with me so to work out the final ideas. The lighting and the colors will make the difference and make the warm feeling. And besides that, also the high table are the customer favorite place to enjoy their meeting and enjoy their drinks. Bye, thank you for watching.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.